So, Colin, of these AI tools, how are they impacting people, processes, and technologies in the industrial sector? What specific business processes are being affected? And how does AI enhance technologies and most importantly, improve business outcomes?
Well, we saw um, even before November 22 and the perceived breakthroughs in generative AI. In our annual survey that we do, we really saw over the last couple of years that AI was perceived by our industrial customers as the most impactful technology. And so we kind of followed up on that with specific research into what were the use cases, to your question,
Mhm.
for AI in the industrial sector. And we actually got validation of at least 25 industrial AI use cases. We kind of looked at five in five key domains. We looked at five in kind of the customer sales and service domain. We looked at five in the supply chain, planning and execution domain. We looked at five in kind of production, core manufacturing or energy production. We looked at five that were really about skills and augmenting the workforce. And then we looked at five use cases which were around product and process innovation. And so I can't talk about all 25, but let's say the top two were not a big surprise to us, but the top two that we saw in production operations were really around predictive maintenance and quality management. And they use two different sets of AI tools and techniques. So, predictive maintenance is very much about using machine learning. And then when we look at quality management, that was much more about using computer or machine vision techniques to detect defects. Although in some cases it's being used together, right? Because they're looking at the quality results and trying to correlate back to what they actually saw in the process. So it's a great example of where really you can use multiple AI tools and techniques to solve a particular use cases. Now, the most pervasive across almost every industry, partly because it was the first to migrate to the cloud, and has almost become, you can't call it cloud native because it didn't start there, but it's kind of the showcase or the poster child for cloud migration is really in the sales domain, where almost everybody, whether it's in their CRM system where they bought a best in class customer relation management or field service management solution, and they're getting infused AI capabilities like chatbots and and assistants that tell them what to sell next or how to prioritize customers or how to route their field service agents. They're getting AI infused in their sales and service applications, or even if they're using their ERP sales and service capabilities, they're doing the same thing. They're kind of infusing their the ERP vendors are infusing their solutions with a set of AI capabilities. So that's probably, if we really took our kind of, there's more to the industrial sector than making stuff. We still have the full business to run, and we still have customers and service interactions. Then and that's probably the leading application in the industrial sector as well.